Hello guys, how are you guys doing? It has been 2 months, more than 2 months from my last video I posted, which I made during the movement control order in March, I think. And I hope you guys are keeping safe and healthy. So today is June 3rd, and we are still in the conditional movement control order phase, which supposed to end on June 9th. And a lot of businesses has reopened, and people start to go back to work, and some of them are still working from home or in rotation. And I think life is going back to the normal days, but we have to observe several new norms like wearing face mask, social distancing wherever we go. And yeah, nothing much happened in the past 2 months, and there's no video from car video from my channel. And if you have noticed lately, I try to do some live streaming for my gaming. Yeah, it's just a experiment. I have no plan of turning my channel into a gaming channel. So yeah, the purpose of me making a video today is to, of course, say hi to everyone, and also I want to do something which is long overdue, which is to have my wheel balancing alignment. If you can remember, I think like last year September, I hit a pothole, and my run flat tires was destroyed, and then I changed to normal tires, all new 4 tires from Continental. It's a MC6. And then I went at this outlet called Lim Tires, and then they got me to enroll in this as a member, so I get to redeem as a member. I get to redeem a birthday gift, and this is a free, I think I get to choose either free labor charge and free wheel alignment, and there's one more thing I can't remember. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys when I reach the workshop. They need to do temperature checking. Hi.
去做咩啊？
做 tire balancing 同 alignment。
得。
我现在是新的 SOP 是要这样子啦，把车交了，你们消毒先噻。我所以现在顾客全部在那边等。
对。
哦 ，OK OK。So there's a new SOP. You have to drop off your car here, then the customer will have to wait somewhere here, you are not allowed to loitering inside the workshop anymore. So I guess we can no longer see the mechanics in action. We'll have to wait here. So you still can see them from afar. They are taking out the tires to do the road force balancing. Because they only free for alignment, so I still have to pay for sorry, they only free for balancing. I still have to pay for alignment, which cost me about 65 ringgit, which is a fair price if you ask me. Okay, bad news. Upon checking, they found that 3 wheels are dented, and the only options I have is to either replace new rims or repair them. So repair them would be the cheaper solution. So I just have to leave my car here and wait for them to repair and collect it back in the afternoon. Wow, really unexpected, eh? So after 5 hours, they got the rim repaired, and yeah, this is totally an unexpected expenses. So I guess this is, yeah, unexpected expenses, but something that must be done. Otherwise, a dented rim will cause the suspension to deteriorate faster. So one rim, they charge me 180 for the repair, and it involves 3 rim, and that costs 540. So when I thought I could actually save for balancing, but and only pay for alignment, but I ended up paying more. Yeah. So there's no way to there's no permanent solution to this to prevent the dented rims or wheels. The only thing you can do is you drive carefully, avoid all potholes as possible, and or based on the mechanic's recommendation, change back to run flat tires, which the side walls are harder and thicker. So I guess I have to be more careful, or otherwise this thing is coming back to haunt me again. Okay, I think that's all for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe, and yeah, bye.